Welcome to Ubud, the cultural heart of Bali, where nature, tradition, and tranquility exist in perfect harmony. From above, the emerald green rice terraces unfold like a living masterpiece, carefully shaped by generations of Balinese farmers. Every curve tells a story of dedication, patience, and a deep respect for the land. These iconic landscapes are nourished by the ancient Subak irrigation system, a centuries-old tradition that reflects Bali's philosophy of balance between people, nature, and spirituality. As the gentle breeze moves across the fields, time seems to slow down. The sounds of rustling leaves, flowing water, and distant birds create a peaceful escape from the rush of everyday life. Whether you are seeking breathtaking scenery, cultural experiences, or simply a moment of serenity, Ubud offers an unforgettable journey into the soul of Bali. Take a deep breath, embrace the beauty, and let the magic of Ubud stay with you long after you have left. This is more than a destination, it's an experience you will never forget. This is the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to comment as well. Thank you.